Once upon a time, there was a group of parrots, and one of them said, "Are you thirsty?" So all said yes. So he said, "I saw a lake before we passed that. So let's go back." So they go and drink some water and continued their way. So they were going, and from a tree a net dropped, and they were trapped. So all shouted, "Help! Help!" No one listened. So one was shouting more. So he said, what we can do now?" So one of them parrot said, let's be silent for a minute and think. If we can all fly in one time, so we can get out of this net. So he said, as I say go, we need to fly and the net will remove. He said, 1, 2, 3, go. So they all fly and the net removed. Moral of the story: unity is